Hi guys, Cliff here, Cliff RVRC Planes. Thanks for checking in again. The subject of the video you're about to watch is this little aeroplane here. Where are we? That one there. It's the early 20th century cardboard plane as made for little kiddies to make and fly around the sky. So following Paul Chapman's post on his First World War and earlier Facebook page, cut it out. You may have seen the previous video to this one detailing how I built it, and well, this video is all about how I got on with flying it. It's not designed for flying free flight, it's designed for flying tethered around the pole in my garden, but anyway, it was quite successful, and I'll let you watch the video now and tell me what you think in the comments below, and like the video and subscribe. It'd be brilliant. There's a little Spitfire logo, I think it's in that corner. I'll just show you a quick close-up of the plane hanging. There she is in all her glory, being chased by a Sopwith triplane. No contest really, that's being chased by a DR1. Right guys, let's get on with the video. Thanks for checking this out, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye. Okay, now this is this one. I've put a rubber band on the wingtip to guide the clip through. I'm going to start with a fresh battery. Make sure we got some motorage. Okay, and magnets down on the front. Okay, I think now I expect this to nose over, but we'll see. Okay, wish me luck guys, here we go. I only got elevator on this. I'll go in with full up to start, I think. A little bit of headwind, here we go. Okay. Might have to hand launch. I sort of expected that to happen. I'll hand launch from back here because it'll land on the stones otherwise. Oh, that definitely is nose heavy. I'd full up there, it didn't want to pull out, so I think I'm going to have to mount the battery further back. I wonder if I can cheat for a minute. Just put it back there. Let me go and get some tack. Might even be worth trying taking off the deck. Let's give it a go. To see a G much further back, it might just get off a bit safer. Let's have a look. If this works, then I can move the CRG back later on. Okay, here we go. Oh, it was a bit, did the battery move then, or? Not sure if it moved to cause the crash or it moved post crash. Oh, unless my elevator horn came off, that might do it. Leave that there a minute because I want to see if I can find the little clip that came off of it. This is my little metallic thingy finder. Is that it? Yep, there you go, look. You'd never find that in the grass. Yeah, so it's just pulled out there, so I just got to put a little bit of CA in there and we'll be good to go again. Okay, now I'm going to have another go at the little one. I know I bent it a bit, but that'll straighten out. For the minute I've got a small battery, it's lighter than the other one, but I'm going to put a little bit of tail weight on, so we should have a bit more luck. Let's see. There you go, Paul. How a cardboard model can fly. And we're clapping for the NHS. And I'm clapping for the model. Okay, battery over. That was successful. Got to go and clap. Brilliant. Come on guys, Cliff Harvey RC Planes, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next model.